pure tones, hues, chromas. You were all confused from the last video, so let's go and sort it out in this one. A pure tone is a colour that is mixed with nothing. So this solid green, it's a pure tone. It's a pure tone green. It's Kelly green. So it's solid blue, solid yellow, nothing mixing. If I put some grey into the mix, we will get what's known as a tone. Anything with a grey in is tonal. So it's muted and it's soft. Muted soft colours added grey to are generally what we call the summer palette. But just remember, I don't do those things. I go with what the actual chromas and the tones and the shades are, because then you've got more to work with and you're not limited. The next one is the shade. Think shadow. Shadows are dark. So this pure tone green, which I did in the last video, I should explain with a green. Add black to it, just black, and you will get a shade. See, like, think of the shadows, the pleats here, they are black. These are all shades of green. So it's a pure tone added with black. The tint is basically, think tinctures. Water is clear, so white. Add this green tone to it, and you'll have a tincture of greens. You'll have greens, whites, and then you'll have the tone. If it's warm or it's cool. Now, if this is green, then this is a pure green, and it's not hot. It's not cool tone. It's not warm tone. It's a pure tone. It's right in the middle. If I picked up this Waitrose bag, here we go. This Waitrose bag has got two different kinds of greens on it, and they are both warm tones. You see, they will work with this green because it's a pure. Pure tones will work with a warm or a cooler tone. So I will find you something that's got a shade. There we go, my cape. This cape, it's a shade of green. It's a shade of this green. It's got black added to it. You see there's black there. It works. Pure tones work with cool and warm. So if you're a pure colour wearer like myself, so long as you've got one pure colour, you can run the gamut of warm and cool. So a warm tone is something that it's got yellows added to it. Think of things that look good in the sun, like gold, yellow, tans. And a cool tone is think of something that's cold. So that will be mostly your blues and your blues and your purples and your pinks. But you can get warm blues and purples and pinks. Think aubergines. Think the millennial pink. That's a warm pink. Because pink is also, it sits opposite green and pink. Remember my video, if you're a subscriber, you will see that there is a pink and a green behind me. If I can click it there, you will see pink and green are opposites, and they are the middle, and they are the heart chakra. So they should go with everything because everything needs love. So hopefully this has been more of an explanation as to tones, shades, tints, and hues stroke chromas. And now go forth and get some colour in your life. Bye!